Okay, Kerbal Space Program using a slight alternate to the interplanetary launch setup. And before anybody asks, yes, I know this looks like an Imperial shuttle from above, but it isn't. So, this will be a quick video. I just left down the last of the booster stages, so now I'm seeing how much fuel I need to get out of Kerbin's sphere of influence. I'm heading towards the sun, so I'm hoping this will do better in getting to Eve. Like I said, this design doesn't really work with getting into an orbit around Kerbin first. This design works good when trying to get out of Kerbin's sphere of influence and then changing orbits. So we're slowly climbing up, and ooh, no, we are decelerating. Why are we decelerating? But it's still going up, which is good. We're headed kind of towards the sun. Straight line up. The Kerbal Space Center is still straight below us. So what's the big change? So, yeah, I added a second big fuel tank to this, which is now draining. That's good. I also added these large wings as stabilizers for the ascent through the atmosphere, which of course, because of the triangular shape, makes it look like an Imperial shuttle. But it isn't. It's just a current price. It's just a current price that look with its interplanetary stage. This is also not the save where we landed on Juna. This is my test save where I test new rocket designs. And so I'm in the testing of this kind of lifter. No, not this kind of this kind of interplanetary stage. I used an advice from Scott Manley, so it was quite a big heavy stage with at least 9 solid rockets on the bottom, which ignited in 3 separate instances. So first set of 9 went off. No, it was 9. It was 3 times 3. Okay, there were 9. So 9 went off in the first. No, that's not correct either. How many did it go off? I'll have to check. Okay, so I believe 9 went off in the first go when they were kicked off. The second 9 went off, and when those were gone, the third 9 went off. Then I had to decelerate. I've got a problem where 2 of the lift stages, for no reason I can, for a reason I can't explain yet. Just no, 4. The middle 3 the middle 3 engines of the lift stages keep on burning, and 4 on the outside just ran out of fuel, despite the fact that they all have the same amount of fuel. So then I had to lower the throttle because when the last stage goes in the middle stage, which has a little bit more fuel actually than the outer stages, I have to lower the throttle to the minimum, keep the velocity going up. I can't go full throttle because there comes a point where the thrust of the engine just goes straight through the superstructure and straight to the shuttle. I had 2 failed attempts already early this evening. This would be the 3rd attempt at launch, and it succeeded. So we burned through a quarter of our fuel in the interplanetary stage. Maybe you should add the next thing a separator here. So, but I don't know if that will work. I have to see if you can actually do that. Then I would throw this off, and yeah. So there's was also a mistake in the separation stations. I had 3 large solid boosters here to help it kick off when while the lifter was out. Actually, and the well, yeah, I had misstaged, so the last lift section didn't disconnect before this, but it kept the things reasonably straight, so I kept it there. So I'm going to end the recording now. We'll see if we get into orbit. If we can't get where we want to go, I'll let you know in the comments or in the description. Bye.